8. Here's the scoop: in half the time, Apple's back trying to get you to cop the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, and honestly, they ain't wrong this time. These phones come in fresh new colors that make last year's look like yesterday's news. And the best part, no price hikes. Still $799 and $899, so you can grab one without selling a kidney. They threw in some pro features too, like the ultra-wide camera, AE18 chip, and a fancy camera control button that makes you feel like you're shooting with a pro camera. Plus, these things are light, so light you could toss one in the air while catching a cab. The screens, same 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch sizes, still OLED, still sharp, but come on Apple, 60 Hz refresh rate in 2024. We deserve better. Camera-wise, you're getting that 48MP and 12MP ultra-wide, now with macro shots. But that new camera control button changes the game. Hold it down for video, press it for a pic. It's slick, but might take a sec to get used to. Oh, and the AE18 chip, 30% faster. Games run like a dream, no lag, no stress. The battery, they say it's bigger, but Apple's keeping it cryptic. What we do know is you're getting faster wireless charging with MagSafe, but wired. Same old story. In the end, Apple's macking it real hard to decide. The iPhone 16's looking more pro than ever without the price tag. So, you going all in for the pro or sticking with the new 16? Either way, these things are keeping the streets of NYC lit. Now, go pre-order that bad boy before it sells out faster than a dollar slice at 3 a.m. And remember, whichever color you choose, you'll still end up covering it with a case that hides it anyway. Stay fly, stay charged, and may your screen always be fingerprint free. Peace out, and I'll catch you next time when Apple convinces us we need a toaster that syncs with our AirPods. Later.